with a driving beat and a confident male vocal delivery. The song features a prominence of bass line, a consistent drum mission with a melodone, kicking snare in a high pitch melody that provides a counterpoint to the others. The tempo is moderately fast, it's a clear, and that sphere is a clear. Tempo is better, and I let it. Nigga that thought out here like let it. Then I know I could call like this. Three from the one, now I stop a list. Told the body jumping at it top of low. If you ain't party, then we better know. Don't need a fan, they don't want you like me. When I'm like me, these legs trying to beat up my crate.
Driving beat and a confident male vocal delivery. The song features a prominent slow bass line, a consistent drum machine rhythm with a strong kick and snare and a high pitched stiff mark beat that provides a counter